In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play guitar like a drummer. Here it goes. So I'm not sure if you're a drummer, but we're going to learn a simple pattern. Here it goes. Okay, so the paradiddle on the drums or drum pad is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Now that we saw what a paradiddle is, we're going to apply that to the guitar. Our right hand is going to become one string, the lower string, and our left hand's going to become the higher string. So what I mean here is, let's say we start with a simple power chord progression. So we're going to start with our first finger on the 5th fret, 6th string, and then third finger on the 7th fret, 5th string. Then where our third finger is, we're going to put our first finger. And then we put our third finger on the 9th fret, 4th string. Now keep your fingers on those strings. We're just going to slide down to the 3rd position or 3rd fret. And then we're going to come up 2 frets to the 5th position. So it's A5, E5, C5, and D5. Now here's where the application of drumming comes in. So right's going to pertain to the lower string. Left is going to pertain to the higher string. So we're going to go right, left, right, right. And then left, right, left, left. And we're going to alternate pick that. If you're new to alternate picking, you can down pick all these notes if you want. And then you just apply that to all the chords. And that's it, and it creates a really cool sound. You can go from your power chord progression into that, like this. Think if you're a drummer or you learn some drum techniques. There's a thing called a double paradiddle or paradiddle diddle. All these different things you can do rhythmically with 2 hands. Now you can apply to your guitar. So even if it doesn't have a label, come up with a pattern like right, left, 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 right, left, left, left. Something like that, and then make something, experiment with it, create, have a lot of fun with it. Also, if you want free charts of scales, chords, and exercises, check out the link in the description and the comments. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching.